Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to enable margin investing on Robinhood. Now step 1 is just go to the Robinhood website from your laptop or PC or MacBook, whatever you're using. So once you're at the home page, make sure to log in with your account as well. And once you're logged in, just click on this option called account and you will see all these options. So from this section, just click on settings. And once you click on settings, so let it load. So you will be seeing this kind of interface. So inside your name and the settings, so on the left side you will see multiple options, like as you can read, mine are security and privacy. Now make sure that your Robinhood account is verified. You have given all the information related to your face verification, your SSN, and all those details, address, etc. And once your account is verified, so you will see another option inside, like along with these sections, which is called investing. So once you will see the option called investing. So once you click on this option called investing, so you will see inside the investing your account, either it is individual or what. And the second option is account type. So you can read either it is the non-margin or the margin account. Now if you have a non-margin account, you just need to click on this option called non-margin and you will see an option called switch to margin account. So just click on this option called switch to margin account. And once you click on this option, switch to margin account. After that, it might take a few minutes or a day to account like shift your account to from margin to non-margin. And after that, you will be able to do the margin trading inside the Robinhood. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.